Afternoon, this is Hiker Dude Dad, and we are just into Bryce Canyon National Park. This is our first little stop. Haven't even checked in yet or anything, but we are about to do the Mossy Cave trail. We should see a Mossy Cave, an arch, and a waterfall. Here we go. First good look at some Bryce Canyon hoodoos. So this is called Tropic Ditch, and it is the only stream in Bryce Canyon. Very fast flowing. Does it feel like the Narrows water?
Yeah.
Yeah? So probably about 60 degrees maybe?
Yeah.
Okay. So right now the family crossed the bridge. I'm coming along Tropic Ditch here. They are in the process of climbing up to this info plaque there. That's kind of the real trail over to a waterfall. I'm gonna go at base level. I'm hoping I can climb up around the waterfall and then back that way, but we'll see. I might have to come back and shoot up that way also. There's the waterfall at the end. Looks like it might be able to go behind. Here's Mossy Cave. Your little hobbit hole.
Mossy Cave indeed.
The water dripping from the ceiling. Moss on the walls.
Moss on the ceiling.
Yeah, moss everywhere.
Deej.
Deanna,
Back in the day,
this is a big waterfall.
Get out of there.
Okay, so taking the high road this time. Apparently, Tropic Ditch here was a canal dug by Mormon settlers and is now basically the only stream in Bryce Canyon National Park. So this is our water feature of the trip, that's for sure. So here's a little shoot to a stand here and see. Another little, okay, I think I see water back there. I was kind of leaning out across the closed part here, but I think I heard water. I think the camera got some little side tribute stream right there flowing down into Tropic Ditch. Sometimes put that selfie stick out there and you're not gonna know what you're gonna get. Oh, here's the top of it actually. Yeah, you're not gonna know what you get until you look at the video later. So there's a family coming down from the bridge. They're gonna walk along Tropic Ditch now. Just love that name, Tropic Ditch. Tropic Thunder Ditch, from the sound of the waterfall. Yeah, gorgeous here. You got some pinyon pines, and we got pine nuts for pesto. Oh, we can see the top of the waterfall. A lot more people down there than there was a few minutes ago when I was there. This family's gonna run into a log jam here. Right up here at the top of the falls. There's my peeps. With this water under us, almost forget to look up. A bunch of windows and arches and hoodoos up there. Standing guard after this amazing rushing desert stream. There's the Tropic Ditch flows up top. Across this beautiful pink rock. And off the edge, down to where the family is. So we're headed back to the parking lot. What a beautiful place. On all trails, this is the Mossy Cave and Waterfall trail, something like that. I'll post a map at the end here, but this place is absolutely beautiful. Very crowded. There's a limited parking lot though, but it really doesn't seem to have kept the people away. But yeah, it's a really nice first stop here. Probably have a mile and a half here logged of hiking, but beautiful trail. Wonderful first introduction to Bryce Canyon. Hey, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. There's still so much more of this trip. I don't even think we're halfway through, so there's plenty more to come. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you.